He don't really want to leave him. Posing together with him, enjoying himself very much. Daddy, do you want to like, look, he's saying no. I want to say him, Mr. Kim. He knows he's celebrity, huh? This is gonna be cover video. Bye. Bye. You gave me one very ignorant look. You're not Mr. Kim.
네, 오늘 팬사인회 이렇게 여러분 아무 사고 없이 질서 잘 지켜주셔서 감사드리고요. 또 만나는 날에 콘서트를 꼭 들고 오겠습니다. 좀만 기다려 주시고요. 여러분 정말 사랑합니다. 감사합니다.
Thank you all for being so orderly today. Yeah, you guys were really great. And next time when you come back, he promised everyone that he'll come back with fabulous shows, performances, and of course concert. Yeah, so please look out for it and wait for him. Yeah.
And once again, will you guys be there?